Pregnant women are smug. Everyone knows it, nobody says it because they're pregnant. This is the world you're enjoying. Makes you really annoying. So, is it a boy or a girl? Oh, well, we know, but we're not telling.
Oh, what do you name it?
Oh, well, we know, but we're not telling.
Who's the father?
Oh, well, we know, but we're not telling. Bitch, I don't really care. You know life now, since you know life now that you're pregnant. You say you're walking on air. You think that you're glowing, but you've been hoeing, and now you're pregnant. You're just giving birth now. You're not Mother Earth now.
You know, lots been going on in my life. I graduated college, I wrote a novel.
Everything just seems so trivial now that I'm pregnant.
I also helped end gang violence in Mexico.
I don't even know what I did before I was pregnant. It all just seems so meaningless.